How to clear Pinterest history. If any day you would like to clear your Pinterest history but do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to search the Pinterest application on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search Pinterest out there. After you search Pinterest out there, you have to tap on the very Pinterest application. After you tap on the very Pinterest application, Pinterest will be launched on your very mobile device. Now you have to wait for the while until the very Pinterest application will be loaded on your mobile device. After you find the very Pinterest application on your mobile device, you have to go to the very profile-like icon on the downside, and then you have to tap on the very top option out this, and then you have to go to the option of the settings on the top. After you go to the settings on the top, you can see the interface like this. Now you have to go to the next icon out there. You have to go to the very icon of the edit the profile there. After you go to the option of the edit the profile, you have to check whether all of your profile is correct or not. You can also go to the option of the privacy and data there, and then tap on privacy and data. After that, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of clear the app cache and tap on clear the app cache. After that, you have to also tap on the option of delete your data and account. Now after you tap on delete your data and account, sometime what may happen is your account can be deleted directly. Therefore, you have to close this very option out this, and you have to go to the next option. You can go to the search icon once again, and then you have to search the very Pinterest application on your mobile device, and then you have to tap on the very Pinterest application and then go to the option of app information. After you tap on app information, you have to scroll down until you find the option of storage and then tap on storage. After tapping on storage, if you see the option of the cache, you have to clear down the cache once again, and then go to the option of clear the data and tap on the option of clear the data, and then go to the option of delete. This way, all of your history on the Pinterest will be deleted permanently. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.